Today I'm going to show you how to create this text and image effect using clipping masks in Affinity Designer. If you are new here, my name is Erin, a formerly self-taught designer turned university professor with 10 years of experience working with clients. Make sure you download the image in the YouTube description to complete this tutorial, and while you're down there, subscribe right now for more weekly tutorials. Alright, so I have my live text ready on a 1920 by 1080 pixel artboard, and I'm going to go to File, Place, and grab the exercise image, click and drag to place the image, right-click on it, go to Transform, and flip horizontal. Position the image over the center of the letter U. Use the key command, Command or Control J to duplicate the image, and for now, click this eye icon here to hide the duplicate. To place the athlete inside of the text, drag the visible image layer directly over your text layer, and once it highlights, you can let go to drop it into your text. And you've just created a clipping mask. Now make the top layer visible, select it, and click the mask icon at the bottom of your layers panel. This mask thumbnail should appear, and you can right-click on it and select Invert Mask. With the mask thumbnail still selected, go to your toolbar and grab your paintbrush tool. Hit the letter D on your keyboard to set your foreground and background color to the default. Now, you just need to brush over the areas of the image you want revealed. If you accidentally reveal a part of an image that you didn't mean to, you can go to your foreground and background color and hit that little arrow to switch to black and paint over with the black brush to hide that area. And there you go. I upload an Affinity tutorial every Monday and an Adobe tutorial every Friday. So if you enjoyed this video, let that algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.